Blackheads are tricky. No matter how well you take care of your skin, they just show up sometimes, usually at the worst possible time. If you're finally ready to rid yourself of blackheads, these home remedies can help. Before continuing the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Use these natural treatments and home remedies to fight blackheads and clear up your complexion on your nose and your entire face. Baking soda and water. Baking soda helps to neutralize any pH imbalance your skin may have, as well as work as an exfoliant to remove dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. To use this on your blackheads, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of water together to form a paste. Massage the paste onto your face, rinse off with warm water, and then be sure to moisturize afterward. This mixture could dry your skin, so don't use it more than 2 or 3 days a week. Green tea. Green tea can help decrease your skin's oil production and works as a great antioxidant. Mix 1 teaspoon of dry green tea leaves with 1 teaspoon of water and massage it into the affected areas for 3 minutes. This treatment can be used 2 or 3 days a week. At-home exfoliation. Brown sugar, honey, and lemon juice make up this exfoliation mixture that you can use on blackheads on your chin and nose. Mixing together 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon, and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. When it's mixed well, apply to your face in a circular motion, massaging it in for 5 minutes before rinsing it off and applying moisturizer. Do you like our videos? Please hit the like button and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming informative videos like this one. See you in the next video.